testing what it takes to sink Russia's most modern aircraft carrier. And in the first test, we will use a fleet of 20 A-10 Warthogs, each equipped with 2 extra cannon pods capable of causing significant damage. However, the aircraft carrier's air defenses will pose a challenge for the Warthogs. And as the Warthogs got closer, thousands of rounds from the anti-air defenses are taking out the Warthogs out of the sky. In just a few seconds, almost all the A-10s were shot down. However, a few managed to strike the aircraft carrier, destroying its naval aircraft on the flight deck, though the carrier itself survived.